my channel. So regarding about this generator, it is a C15 generator. The problem is no power. Now we will show you in this video how to remove and how to repair the cause of damage or the cause of electric shutdown or no power. Okay. Now it's almost done.
We're removing the rear side of the generator because this coil is damaged. Okay, open contact or open coil. So we remove by the puller and a little bit used by lever here. Okay, and he is my companion, Raja Baraja. This generator is C15 or Caterpillar C15. Okay, 500 kVA. So it's almost finished removing. We will see what is the problem on the coil, why that's open, okay? That's using our puller and the coil inside. This is damaged.
Actually, this the coil is already removed. We see the problem. As you can see, is corrosion of the copper. You see?
Simple but heavy work. Okay, but we made it easy. Now, this is the coil that we are going to replace. Now it's time to replace the coil. Already making position, and no, not alive. Okay, roll the other side. Yeah, but not in a straight position. Up little. Yes. Check the other side. This work is it is not easy. But we should have to use our technique or mind to do the good techniques by removal. Before, when I was handling this work before, I can remove by alone.
I've seen a little problem about the exciter rotor. So you can see it is touching. It's either the bearing is loose from the housing, okay, but when I touch by my finger, it is okay. Also have the rubber, you can see, but I think it's no problem. Maybe the alignment of this housing. Bearing good as a normal, and also the grease is a little bit coming out. To lubricate, we just only need to fix the coil and again start, right? That's all. That's it. So companion is busy. Check Raja, maybe the end side is not touching on the black housing. Make it balance side by side. Okay, again, I guess I'm just only share this type of video, how the ideas, what we made about. So you can see this, that's the panel box, okay, control box. And then this is the rear side of the generator. So you can see that's the engine. And then we are here. This generator again is a 500 kVA. Okay, C15 engine. So we'll show you once the installation of wire is making something. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, as we can see, we already fixed the puller to keep this housing will be going inside. Why the big spanner? See, it's easy fixing because you almost have complete the cooler, fabricated cooler. And also we make a stud bolt to guide the lock inside, like lock of bearing. You know what? We make this is exactly the hole of the housing. So, and also the stud bolt, we make there is a small hole and a threaded hole. We make also an weld in the big full thread stud. No problem. More. It's coming. So you can see, provide hammer. Could you imagine before, because the job is already given by handling by the Pakistani people, so it's indication now. About the tools that I make before is already missing, so he make fabricate another one, but it's not suit or not easy. Unlike the tools that I was fabricated before is good. Okay, we will show you after. Huh? No problem. Just tight it more. Will be automatically coming center. Because this guide, they will be automatic center. This guide will be holding the outside of the housing. So the other housing of the field exciter coil will be automatically aligned. Wait. I will a little bit hammer. Okay, now it's almost touching to the main housing. So it's here to finish and start. So you can see. Okay, stay tuned. We'll show it more after this. We just only finished fixing housing, and then after that we'll rewiring. I thought before is ABR is damaged, but when I've seen and checked this coil, the ABR is good. I think it's good. Sorry, the coil is open. Sorry. Okay. And now it's done. Little bit there on the other side. After that, everything is done. Okay. So we will remove and like this. No more cover. This one. Nabasag? It's like a temporary permanent, because the original one, they the last one who removed this coil, they never use it because the problem is it's hard to put straight inside. You cannot see the lock plate inside, so that's why they put and use this full thread. You have number 13 there? So again, follow the next step. I'm going to put the cable tie and also the pin for this wire to plug it in there. The E plus and E negative. Okay, there's no polarization in this coil, but the output of this AVR, they have a positive and negative. Okay, DC output. So this is the AC input on 380 volts, and then the other side, it is a low voltage, like what we call a sensing voltage. Okay, this sensing voltage, and then this is the power input, and then output, DC output. Okay, I have already provided 2 pin there, so there, and then I will going to fix here. Okay, huh? E plus and E negative. Okay. Okay, actually for anyone, this is my tools. This wire stripper. Okay, this wire stripper, and this is the wire crimping, pin crimping. Okay, usually I crimp, as you can see inside, I crimp the lock with the other side, because in this side is open, or it is corner, both side of the circular hole of the pin. So I will crimp on the other side, so you can see. Okay, so now it is good to fix, but before that I'm going to fix cable tying all the wire. Okay, now I have the cable tie. See, we will tie the wire over there, and keep the wire like that, and then we're reaching here. Okay, so you can see now, almost done. See the wire nice, see the AVR, and also fixing the cover. Okay, and also keep the wire not hanging like this. Okay, now it's almost done. Here's my companion again. He's looking somewhere, he's thinking nothing. Oh, so you can see we already tie and hang very good the wire. So you can see we tied the cover, but there's some hole we don't have bolt, because that hole is already no chance to put any bolt inside because the nut inside is missing or nothing. It is damaged, but it's okay. Everything is done. So you can see we tie properly the wire. See that? And then now it's time to start. So you can see the control is on. Okay, we'll start. Okay, now it's coming success. Done. Okay. But I have to diagnose this engine because the engine sound is not good. It is something missing or misfiring. Okay. Stay tuned and then we will show you what happened, why the engine is misfiring. Now the electric is good. Single bearing. Okay. Here, this side, I will transfer it preference and adjust. Okay, so okay, okay, that's the contrast. Okay, must be lightened. Okay, then okay, we need to change by bar. Okay, and then okay, now it's in bar position and then okay. Okay, back. Okay, it's already back. RPM. But wait, okay, I will diagnose through laptop. But what to do? I have to change the pin. Okay, hold camera. This I make for a special tools to remove the skin.
This one, Mr. Robot, special made tool after clean the wire, after fixing. Very difficult. Somebody know you this can do work.
Yeah, I'll do. Okay, again for the information of the everyone, just keep on watching and then continuously watch my video. And then the next video this I'm going to upload after this video. It will be interesting for anyone who needs and understand about the hydraulic system. It is your chance to be learn my small tutorial regarding about the 320 and how to test the pressure and which function or what is the main function of the pressure that you are going to test. Okay, just follow us always on my video, and then also for the new subscriber, please click the notification bell so you will be updated for any new videos that I'm going to upload. Okay, thank you very much. this is the proper way. If you need to do the fabrication of this type of you need to get the cylinder head plate and make it same like this for a special tools to removing the pin on inner type of socket. Okay, this is better than the plastic that you can buy in a Caterpillar or anywhere. The plastic is easy damage, but this one is hard. Even you bend, no problem. So now I have to diagnose. Now I installed my cut PT. We'll have to diagnose what happened, why the sound of the engine is annoying. Okay. Now the engine is running. I have to diagnose it. That's why the sound it is like a that's the main problem now. This injector number 3 is not functioning well. Current below normal, meaning the injector is not functioning. That's the problem. Injector number 3. This is the goodness of using or Caterpillar PT while you are having the machine of Caterpillar. Okay, when the engine is running, the problem is a very annoying sound from the engine. That's why I have to do this diagnostic to find it out, because the monitor they cannot show any problem up there. Okay, bye bye, thank you for watching. We hope that this video will help to anyone that doing the troubleshoot of the generator. Okay. Show you, or you can see the engine sound is very annoying. We will try to see the